Decentralized versus centralized generation. Introduction. Decentralized generation, DG, refers to electricity generation from small scale sources located close to the point of consumption. Decentralized generation, DG, examples. Rooftop solar panels, households or businesses installing solar PV systems to generate electricity. Wind turbines in industrial parks, small-scale wind turbines providing energy to a specific site. Microgrids in rural areas, villages in India using solar-powered microgrids for electricity. Combined heat and power, CHP, systems, industrial plants generating both electricity and useful heat on-site. Battery energy storage systems, BESS, used in EV charging stations and homes to store renewable energy. Centralized generation, CG, involves large power plants that generate electricity and distribute it over long distances via transmission grids. Centralized generation, CG, examples. NTPC power plants, India, large coal-based thermal plants supplying electricity to the grid. Bhakra Nangal Hydroelectric Plant, India, a major hydroelectric station that feeds power into the national grid. Nuclear power plants, Kudankulam, India, generating massive amounts of electricity for long-distance distribution. Large wind farms, Tamil Nadu, India, wind energy projects supplying power to the grid. Key differences. Aspect: decentralized generation, DG, centralized generation, CG. Size: location small, local units, e.g., rooftop solar. Wind farms, CHP plants. Large power plants, e.g., coal. Nuclear, hydro. Transmission. Distribution. Minimal transmission losses due to proximity. Requires extensive transmission infrastructure. Reliability. Resilience: more resilient to grid failures, more vulnerable to transmission failures. Environmental impact. Often renewable based, lower emissions. High emissions, coal, gas. Unless using renewables. Capital investment: lower initial investment, high investment in scalability, easily expandable and modular, expensive and slow to scale.